Hello viewer, how you are? I hope well. So today I show you how to make single breast blazer collar pattern, nose collar pattern, cutting and sewing blazer collar, nose collar, nose neckline. So watch this tutorial, like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. So let's start drawing, cutting and sewing. This is central front line, vertical line. This is central front line, neck shoulder line, neck width 3.5 inch, level back point 13.5 inch, front neck depth 3 inch, front neck depth 4 inch at center front. Front neckline 1.25 level width, single breast overlap 3/4 level outer line, half inch backward mark for collar making. Collar neck line seam, collar neck seam line. Here I measured back neck line 3/4 inch and I extend 3/4 inch at collar neck seam line for back neck 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, collar center line, collar stand height 118 3 centimeters, collar height 2/4 inch 5.5 centimeters. Here I make collar point 1/4 inch, collar point, collar outer line, collar outer line, single breast and blazer collar drawing finish. Collar stand height 3/4 inch, collar stand height, single breast and blazer collar pattern drafting finish. Now I start cutting. Single breast lapel and coat collar, blazer collar and lapel, nose collar pattern making finish. Now I start fabric cutting and stitching. Fabric cutting for nose collar, blazer nose collar, front part, neckline, collar, 2 piece, outside cutting, inside 2 piece cutting, front 2 piece cutting, back part 2 piece cutting. Back part, shoulder fusing, attach front part, fusing, full body fusing and 2 piece rappel, inside rappel, full fusing, attach rappel, front part, full front part fusing, front part full fusing, rappel, top side collar, full collar fusing, inner collar 2 piece, full fusing, inner collar, sewing, 45-degree angle, inside collar cutting and outside collar, top collar widthwise cutting, sewing, collar top line sewing, back part 2 piece lining, front part 2 piece, front lining 2 piece, front and biggashi line sewing,